So today I'm going to talk about lips and you'll be surprised. Like she talks about it all the time. But I just want to highlight about few facts that even I came to know recently. Every time I learn something, I always try to share with you guys. So that's what we are going to do today. So if you don't know, LipSense is a patented technology from Senegens. It's a patented lip color that's there in all our products, like whether it's blush, whether it's our shadows, because the color transferring is patented. That way no one else can use it. And LipSense is like a all day wear product, and it has so many benefits. Like it's vegan, so no animal byproducts. It's cruelty free. If you ask me whether I have seen these two few years back, I would say no. But being now having a pet at home, cruelty free products makes a huge difference to me. So they, like, just because we want to wear some makeup, like we don't want any animals to get treated on that. So that's a big thing. And it's gluten free, and it stays all day. And you can see, even in these winter months, you can see how well my lips stays moisturized. And pretty much it is like the most hydrating thing you can wear, because it doesn't have no wax, it doesn't have any lead, so it has only amazing things in it. So do you know LipSense acts as your sunscreen for your lips? It has an ingredient called titanium dioxide that is going to protect your lips from a sun exposure, whether it's UVB or UAV rays. I have always been out, whether it's a pool day, whether it's I'm in a theme park, or I'm going hiking. I always make sure I wear LipSense, because that way I'm protecting my lips. Also in our CCTM foundation, and also it's in our day cream. So that's why all of them is going to protect you in multiple levels. Many people who been on vacation and come back and say my face did not tan at all, because I always ask them whether at least wear the CCTM, whether wear the face broad spectrum sunscreen, and also make sure you do a very light layer of CCTM, because that will make a huge difference from tanning. If you're switching from other band, the Budge Proof makes a huge difference, because here it's not only going to stay all day, but it's not drying at all. When you wear the other ones, I have done my smudge videos where I do one on this side, one on that side. You can really feel the difference on where you have the LipSense, because it doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel gritty, it feels so smooth, and you don't feel like you are wearing something, and at the same time it's not budging at all. So you don't have to worry whether it's coming out while you eat, or whether you are drinking. So that way it is going to be like a simple hack for you to use it. So the other thing we always talk about is it has cosmetic grade alcohol in it. It is not what is it, like a isopropyl alcohol or something. It's a cosmetic grade one, because the pigments are very small, and when you apply the layer, the alcohol is going to evaporate. And they also made sure they added like a bitter agent, that way you don't drink it. It is like just to like a delivery system. So, and also it helps not to protect not buildup of bacteria buildup inside, because the expiry for opened LipSense is 3 years. So every time when you apply and touch and put it back, they don't want any bacterial growth, or it doesn't smell bad. So that's the reason they have that. And if you see, you know that we apply 3 layers, because the first layer is the one that's going to bond with your lips, because that is going to be like the layer that is protecting from inside, I would say. So that way the pH balance of your lip, that is where it's getting contacted. So it is the first layer, and the second layer bonds with the first layer, and that's the actual color. And the third layer is to bond with the second layer, and that's where it's going to contact with any outside food and saliva, all those stuff. So this is like a sandwich system, because that is where you are going to have that all day wear technology delivered, because that way it's protects. At the same time, when you do thin layers, it's not cakey at all, so you don't feel like your layers what is it, like it is heavy. This is just designed to have to achieve that all day wear protection. So make sure you do the layers very very thin. As we talked about the pH level, that's where it depends on how much it stays, because everyone's pH level is different. So if some colors, and if you have the month of the time of the month, or if you have any hormonal imbalance, your color can break earlier. Similar way, for me, a color can stay longer. For the same way, that particular color can break easily for somebody else, but for them some other color may stay longer. So it depends on the pH level of individual. That's how the color can staying power differs. And this is a question I get all the time: can I skip the gloss? No, you cannot skip the gloss, because here the gloss is the one that's going to seal and protect the color. So you need to make sure, if you're a beginner, you need to pick a color of your choice and pick a gloss of your choice, but it can be of anything. Any color can work with any gloss, basically, from SeneGence, but that's how it's been done. So if you're going to eat or drink, the third layer is the one that gets contacted, that's going to start break, but still you have your second layer and first layer. So anytime when you're going to eat, you are going to gloss in between if you want the color to stay longer. That way, whatever you are touching, only the gloss get touched, but the color stays the same. So that's like very basic concept we all cover all the time. And the gloss is the most hydrating thing you can apply on your lips. It has loads of vitamin E and shea butter. Even the days you don't wear lip sense, and if you feel like your lips are very chappy, or if some people go through exfoliation process when they move to lip sense, because if you have used many products that has wax, then you will have little bit of exfoliation that's going on. So you can apply the gloss until then, so that your lips are not chappy or dry, so that it gets very well moisturized and it acts as a lip balm. So I always suggest my customers, even when they go to bed, they can apply the gloss and sleep on it, and the moment they get up in the sea, they will have a nice moisturized lips. So the gloss is like a wonderful addition for yourself. And now that we have pigmented glosses, you can even wear them by itself, or even as your kids can use it as a lip balm. Think about the other brands, they just have wax. Think of wax on a car or anywhere. What it does not allow any water to penetrate in, so that's why it's not going to be moisturized at all, and it makes you feel dry when you have wax in it. But here, even you are going to gloss on top of the lip color, it still soaks in everything from to your lips. So I always talk about it. Lip is one area where in your body you don't have any sweat glands in it, so you cannot moisturize from inside. So for example, if you work out, your body will be cooled down because all your pores are opened up and you have sweat glands in it. But whereas your lips doesn't work that way, so you need to put moisture from outside to make it moisturized. So this is another thing that people may experience when they are new to lip sense. They may feel a little bit of tingling sensation when they apply. That means you have chapped dry lips. Think of this way: when you have a paper cut or anything, and if you have rubbed a lemon, all your nerve endings will send that the feeling. That's the same thing that's happening here. So what it happens is, when it touches the nerve endings, it is feel like it's tingling. That's because you have a cut here. So make sure you drink a lot of water. You make sure you gloss really well, and once you gloss it, it will go away. So it's not going to hurt you in anywhere, but you need to make sure you need to understand that your lips are chapped chapped. The more you use Lipsense, the tingling will go away because you are glossing really well, and that way your lips are not chapped anymore. And I don't remember having that much tingling sensation when I started. Hardly, maybe like just first few applications, then it's all gone because I don't switch between brands, and Lipsense is the only one I use. So my lips are always hydrated, and I even at going to bed I use these days the overnight lip mask. That way my lips never get chapped. So if you are new to Lipsense, that's something you need to know. As I said, even if you go through the exfoliation process, it's very normal, and the tingling sensation is completely normal. If you I always tell them, like, if you are new to Lipsense and want to practice application, or you want to your lips to get better, even just use one layer of Lipsense and seal it with a gloss. So that way you get more practice out of it, because here you are sealing it every day with the gloss that is acting as your lip balm and making sure it's nice and plump. There is also an ingredient called St. John's wort, and it actually elevates the mood. I don't know, maybe because of that, when you apply Lipsense, you feel happy. I don't know. I think that's maybe a reason for it. So that's another thing I learned about it. I always feel that way no matter what. Whenever I wear Lipsense, it makes you feel much brighter for the day. So even if I don't have makeup, Lipsense is one that I don't miss to wear any day. It also has antioxidants. As I was saying, it is going to treat your lips in a better way rather than just a product. Like I think that is where our product stands separate from the other brands, because if you consider makeup in general, most of them doesn't comes with any benefits to it, whereas here, whether it's a makeup or skincare, it has some benefits that is achievable. So that makes a huge difference when you use them. Another thing is, every time when you use, make sure you shake the product really well. Here you can see Mad Magenta, it looks completely different because the color is not shaked well. The color, they don't have any ingredient added to what is it, like, mix them and stay that way, because that's an extra chemical they need to need. But instead of that, just make sure you shake your tube really well. And they also mentioned that we need to do it horizontally. I don't know whether it's something they started with or they're still going to do. So if you can see, it slowly starts to mix it. So always make sure there is a what is it, like a ball inside, so that it mixes the color properly to deliver the proper pigment. So since I store them upside down because the color name is on the bottom, I used to have the top two, but sometimes the newer colors I don't have that sticker anymore. So when you keep shaking, the color gets mixed properly. So that's the thing to remember. Anyway, not all colors are meant to be applied on its own. For example, take Icicle. Icicle cannot work on its own. So Icicle is meant to tone down. Similar way, Prosecco, Gold Bar, all those kind of stuff, you can use it in the middle just to highlight, because I don't know whether and how everyone will be comfortable wearing this gold color as a lip color every time. Similar way, if you think black, you can use it to line your lips, because that is going to look really good when you do it with red or even like a crimson kind of a color. So not every color is supposed to be by its own, like a silver luster or something. So but you can always use them in the middle for a quick ombre look. I have seen people mix with even pearl laser to use as a blush too. So there are like I have never tried, maybe I need to try in the coming days, but you can use it in plenty of ways. As I said, you can use to line your lips and then fill in with a different color, or even these colors you can mix them with the layering and pre-mixing concept. So you can make tons of combos. Like I said, the staying power can differ from person to person. It depends on what you eat, how is your hormones, or what is it, like how you apply it. There are like tons of things that goes into and it depends on individual person. Like for me, one color can stay longer, whereas for the other person, another color can stay longer. So basically, it's like a trial and error. You will find which color stays more, but you can always reapply in the middle if you want to, like a touch up, or you can do one more layer and seal it again with gloss. When you select lip sense, also don't just pick one color group. Like I always tell my customers, like pick a shade that you can wear for every day. Pick a shade that you want to do for a party look, or you want to get like a girls night look, something like that, like a date night. So whenever you pick colors, pick from different color groups, like not all pinks and not all reds, because then you cannot mix and match and do any layering combo or pre-mixing combo, because you are all one color group. Similar way, even adding these metallics to yours or adding different glosses to your collection makes a huge difference, because that way, even with the same color, you can apply a completely different gloss and give a different look. And uh, by using like a lighter color, you can tone down a darker shade, or you can have a lighter shade underneath, and then do two layers for the color to show up. It is always like endless combinations. But when it comes to lip sense, make sure to just explore a little bit out of your comfort zone. You never know, you will be surprised on what colors you can make. Here it is like a what is it, like a canvas color. So I always give them tattoo rings, and you don't have to be fancy. You can take anything that doesn't absorb, so that way you can mix them for that one time. Or you can some people store, I don't do, I just use like a tattoo ring, so that I can swap the necessary things and just apply whenever needed. So I hope you learned something new about lip sense today, and if you have never tried, please do ping me. And we do have a virtual app where you can try the colors, or else you can always check the website for the current shades, or DM me for the colors I have in stock. Have a wonderful day, guys.